Cuisinart Air Fryer toaster oven provides you with a healthier, easy-to-use cooking method that produces great-tasting treats by using less fat. Air frying, which uses powerful ultra-hot air and 98% less oil than deep frying, is a healthier way to cook. Prepare your delicious fried favorites from wings and fritters to fries and shrimp, using little or no fat in the cooking process. The Cuisinart Air Fryer toaster oven is a premium full-size toaster oven with a built-in air fryer, which means it uses a combination of hot air, high blower velocity, and 4 upper heating elements to not only bake, toast, and broil, but also to air fry your favorite foods. Frying your favorite crispy foods with less fat, baking, broiling, and toasting. Now you can be guilt-free and enjoy the crunch without the calories with the new Cuisinart Air Fryer toaster oven.
When considering an air fryer as highly rated as ours, there's only one choice left to make: red, white, or black. Under every coat of paint is the same beautifully designed device, guaranteeing easy meals from start to finish, no matter what color you pick. It even gives helpful hints along the way. Need inspiration? Our chefs created 100 ideas for you and rigorously tested each one to ensure delicious results. Missing summer cookouts? Every entree needs a side. And to top it all off, get and find new food to try. So what are you waiting for? Find out for yourself. Revolutionize your kitchen.
What can you do with this tablespoon? With Tfal Actifry, you can create healthy and delicious meals for your family using just 1 tablespoon of oil. Actifry is perfect for preparing meat, seafood, stir-fry, vegetables, and many more dishes. You'll feel good knowing that you've used just 1 tablespoon of oil for the entire recipe, and that your family will enjoy every delicious bite. Actifry is really easy. I just put in my fresh ingredients and 1 tablespoon of oil, set the timer, and a delicious and nutritious meal is ready in no time. And Actifry takes the mess of cooking and cleanup off my plate. It comes apart easily, and the pieces go straight into the dishwasher. I love my Tfal Actifry. It makes cooking great meals fast, convenient, and fun for the whole family.
Meet the Ninja Foodie family. Now, there's a foodie for everyone. And by everyone, we mean the roasters, the steak grillers, the sheet pan meal thrillers, the bakers, the cocktail shakers, the skillet cookie makers, the soupers, the burger flippers, the french fry dippers, the toasters, the smoothie sippers, the chicken wing crispers. Whoever you are, whatever you want to make, be proud of what you cook.
Want to enjoy crispy French fries without the guilt? Introducing the new Smart Oven Air by Breville, with super convection that generates extreme air circulation for fast and crispy food. Now you can enjoy crispy, healthier, air-fried family favorites without the excess oil. Low and stable heat for healthy, dehydrated snacks. And larger capacity to roast a perfectly browned, succulent 14-pound turkey. Dedicated slow-cook setting for flavorful and tender meats. Perfectly crisp, deep dish pizza with oozing cheese. The smart oven that toasts more evenly. Crisp and chewy, mouth-watering cookies. 12 quick and easy super moist muffins. Golden crust and delicious deep dish pies. And creates the ideal conditions for proofing dough. The Smart Oven range by Breville, the world's most awarded compact ovens.